Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the CompTIA A+ certification. So if you want to get into the IT field, or even doing like computer repair or maybe some desktop support, you might want to think about getting some certifications. So there's all kinds of certifications out there you could get from various companies, from Microsoft and VMware, Cisco, that type of thing. But if you're looking to start out with some of the easier, more basic ones, you might want to look at the CompTIA A+. They also have a Network Plus and a Security Plus and some other things, but the A Plus kind of gets you going on the basics here. So once you start the course, here's the type of things you'll be learning. Service desk, help desk, doing technical support. You'll actually do some networking and some virtualization as well within the course here, which they didn't have at the beginning of the A Plus, so they've added all this stuff later. Desktop support, end user computing technician. And so here are the exam details. So there's two exams, 220-1101 and the 1102. So it's the Core 1 and the Core 2, so you're going to have to take both of them to get the certifications. So the Core 1 covers mobile devices, some networking. It's not really, super complex networking, just some stuff on IP addresses and basic stuff like that, troubleshooting. Some hardware, all the RAM and CPU specifications and troubleshooting that. Basic virtualization, and then you have your hardware and networking troubleshooting. So like I said, nothing too complex. And then the 1102 exam, less topics, but still the same amount of questions here. Operating systems, security, software troubleshooting, and operational procedures. So one good way to study for the A+ exam is to do practice tests, because even though there's only 90 questions on each exam, there's hundreds of questions that you could possibly get, so it's not the same 90 for everybody. So one good way to go about this is to find some online practice exams. And we've actually just released the first 220-1101 exam questions that you could sign up and take on Udemy right here. So we have 5 main tests with 90 questions each, and then a bonus test with 125 questions. So if you're looking for a great way to practice for the Core 1 1101 test, you could sign up for these questions here and just take them over and over as much as you like. And then it should help you out when you take the real test, because you'll be used to the type of questions you'll be getting. And by doing it over and over again, taking these multiple times, you'll just get used to the answers, and then it'll become second nature to you. So I put a link in the description where you could sign up for the test, and then you might want to check it out and see how it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.